Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can join the Veo AI. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Google Chrome and then we have to search for the Veo AI. So as you can see after opening that, now you will be able to see the results like this. So now we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will be able to see like this option, Google DeepMind, the Veo AI. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on that, now we have to choose the Flow AI option, and view, as you can see now, it's try in flow. So we have to click on this try in flow option. And after that, now as you can see, we are on the Veo AI. So as you can see, where the next wave of storytelling happens with the Veo. So now we have to create our account, we have to join it, we have to click on the create with the flow option. And after that, we have to choose the email address, that which email address we want to continue. For example, I'm gonna choose this email address here. So after that, we have to click on this email address. As you can see, we have to accept these. If you want to accept, you can also do that. If you don't want to accept it, you don't have to accept this. We have to read this carefully, and then we have to hit the continue button. So as you can see now, our account of the Veo AI is created here. So now if you want to use it, you can also do that. So in this way you can join the Veo AI, and I hope you guys understand this video that how we can do that. So thank you for the watching, and see you in the next video.